Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe my channel. In this video of 800 MCQ series, already we have done 400 MCQ. Then in this video we have to solve 50 MCQ of the famous book Speedy Current Affair. Okay, so let us solve 50 question. First question is 398. ISRO has decided to develop Earth System Observatory in collaboration with which space agency? Answer is NASA. Recently, the government of which state had started Anupriti coaching scheme? Anupriti coaching scheme for economically weaker section. Answer is Rajasthan. With which theme was the World Environmental Day celebrated on 5th June? This is also important question, and in this year the theme is ecosystem restoration. Now, which space agency has recently launched 60 Starlink broadband satellite using Falcon 9 rocket? Answer is SpaceX. Which day was observed on 31st May 2021 with the theme Commit to Quit? Commit to Quit. Answer is World No Tobacco Day. Recently, who has become the first South Asian country to give significant financial assistance to Sri Lanka? Now, answer is Bangladesh. Recently, which state has started Mukhyamantri Sishu Seva Yojana for children orphaned due to COVID-19? Which state started? Now, answer is Assam. Mukhyamantri Sishu Seva Yojana. On which date World Milk Day? World Milk Day celebrated. Now, answer is 1st June. Recently, which country Tisang Yenhung has become the woman to scale Mount Everest in the shortest time? Now, answer is Hong Kong. Where will the second phase of IPL held in September-October? It very easy question. United UAE. Recently, who has appointed the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes? Now, answer is Jagannath Vidyadhar Mohapatra. (409) When is World Hunger Day celebrated every year? World Hunger Day. Now, answer is 28th May. Which Bollywood actor has recently awarded the Golden Visa by the UAE government? Answer is Sanjay Dutt. Recently, which country has achieved success in successfully landing its first Mars rover, Zhurong, on Mars? Now, answer is China. Recently, who has appointed as the president of Confederation of Indian Industry? Now, answer is TV Narendranan. Which state government has launched Ankur scheme to honor citizens for planting trees during monsoon? Now, answer is Madhya Pradesh. This is also important question. Recently, who has been appointed by the central government as the new OSD of the Ministry of Commerce? Now, answer is PVR Subramaniam. Recently, which state government has started Mukhyamantri COVID Child Welfare Scheme for the children orphaned due to 19? Now, this time this answer is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Bashar al-Assad has become the president of which country for the 4th time in a row? Answer is Syria. Which Indian has recently received Spain highest award in the field of social science. Amartya Sen. Recently, which state government has launched Amrit Vahini app for online booking of hospital bed? Answer is Jharkhand. Recently, who has been appointed as the new CEO of Amazon? Now, answer is Andy Jassy. Recently, which Indian origin person has been appointed as the Director General of Department of Commerce in the US? Now, answer is Arun Venkat Raman. Recently, who has become the first Indian doctor to get the highest honor in ASGE? D. Nageswar Reddy. Which Indian organization was recently awarded the Green Energy Award by the Indian Chamber of Commerce? IREDA. Recently, Mohali Hockey Stadium has been renamed after whom? Balbir Singh SR. World Thyroid Day celebrated every year. 25th of May. In which city AWDU India first consulate has been opened recently? Maldives. Recently, who has been appointed as the new head of Israel intelligence agency Mossad? Now, answer is David Bernia. Recently, who has become the new director of Central Bureau of Investigation? Answer is Subodh Jaiswal. Recently, who has become the president of Oxford Student Union of Indian origin student? Anvi Bhutani. When is Commonwealth Day celebrated every year in India? 24th of May. In which country will FIFA U19 Women World Cup 2022 be organized? Answer is India. Who has recently won the Monaco Grand Prix 2021 race? Now, answer is Max Verstappen. The government of which state has recently launched Mukhyamantri Vatsalya Yojana for children orphaned by COVID-19? Answer is Uttarakhand. Who has recently won the title La Liga? Atletico Madrid. Which famous basketballer recently inducted in the Basketball Hall of Fame? Kobe Bryant. When is World Turtle Day celebrated every year? 23rd May. Sundar Lal Bahugun has passed away recently. Was he environmentalist? Recently, which state cabinet has approved the formation of legislative council in the state? Answer is West Bengal. Which team has recently won the Women Champion League 2021 trophy? Barcelona. Recently, which state government has announced to give GI tag to clay toys? Answer is Tamil Nadu. When is the International Day of Biodiversity celebrated every year? Now, answer is on 22nd May. Which country has recently developed the most powerful supercomputer Seamorg? Now, answer is Japan. Iran. Recently, Pinarayi Vijayan has become the Chief Minister of which state for the second time? Kerala. When is International Tea Day celebrated every year? 21st May. MACS 1407, which was in news recently, is a new variety of soybean. So thank you, friend.